Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set to private your account on the Instagram application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the profile section at the lower right corner of the screen and you click to the three lines at the upper right corner of the page and you go to the settings and privacy section. In the who can see your content section, tap to the first option, the account privacy, and if you want to private account, just click to the next white circle and click to the switch to private button and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.